Hi there, parents and students. Next week you have parent-teacher conferences, Thursday and Friday. These are short. They're only 10 minutes. So in order to make the most of your 10 minutes with your teacher, please try to do the following. Take a look at the course calendar. I have attached that link at the bottom of this email so that parents and students can review what we've done for the last month. Think about what you really enjoyed, what you're proud of. How can I help you, encourage you to pursue those things that you're interested in? Also, consider some learning goals you have and how I can help you reach those learning goals, some concrete ways that we can achieve success together. See you next week.